She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm starting off with my hair was like in twists, so I just undid the twist. So yeah, it had all the leave-in conditioner and so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some coconut oil, and I'm just gonna start by creating a middle part. So just in case you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video right this moment, please do click the subscribe button and join the family, guys. It means a lot to me. So yeah, this is what my part is looking like, a little bit neater of course, and I'm using these clip-ins from Better Length. I received a sweet card from Bella, like seriously, thank you Bella, that was a sweet message. And I'm using their Afro Kinky coily clip-ins, 16 inches, and don't they look gorgeous? And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Eco Styler gel, you guys. You know I can't do with this gel. Okay,
I really like the way that you carry your body, say girl, you can stand by me anywhere.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and start spritzing my hair with water because my hair was completely dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the gel. And if you see in this video, guys, I did not apply a lot of gel like I usually do. I just applied enough gel around the perimeter of my parting or of my part, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start detangling my hair with this white tooth comb, followed by slicking the hair down with my hard bristle brush. And you see, guys, the benefits of using water is it makes your hair laid easily. You need to have a spray bottle if you're working with falsy hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep detangling my hair, making sure that I gather all my hair in a puff. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair with a rubber band. You can use anything you want.
She looks so bright like a star, so we walk up to her, say, can I get your name or your number, so we could get close, don't wonder, where you wine strikes like thunder, you gonna make me the wonder, waiting you get for your under, oh no, she went on to my song.
Moving on to the next side, you guys, is just a repeat process from the other side that I've just finished. So yeah, this is very, very self-explanatory, guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. Like, thumbs up this video, you guys. Thank you. Just gonna go ahead and lay my hair down in this scarf, and I will definitely use a blow dryer just to speed up the process, but you can actually air dry if you prefer. But because I was doing 4 different hairstyles in this video, I had to go ahead and speed up the process until, and this is it. My hair was like 99% dry, and I'm using these clip-ins. I used one clip-in with 5 clips and the other one with 4 clips. And so what you see, guys, I only clipped the clip once. Okay, so the first clip is the one that I just attached to my hair, and the rest of them, they're closed. I just go around my own ponytail, and then the last bit of the clip I take a little bit of hair and just secure that around my ponytail. If you understand, this is like self-explanatory, like I mentioned. Okay. You could actually rock the hair like this if you prefer, guys, but I thought it doesn't look too cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating my pigtails or two puffs, two ponytails, whatever you want to call it, you guys. It's up to you. Yeah, but this is exactly what I'm doing right now, and I'm securing with bobby pins as I go.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh.
So guys, I absolutely love how these clip-ins blend with my falsy hair, you guys. I feel young, you know. Now on to style number 2, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more gel and spritz with water because I wanted my hair laid on tail. Okay.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
I'll go ahead and gather my hair into a ponytail because I'm going for a high band kind of style, and I'm repeating the same process, you guys, of clipping only one clip and then, you know, using a little bit of hair to secure the ponytail. And I realized that my hair was a bit wet and starting to, you know, curl up. Okay, I had to go ahead and lay down the hair with my scarf. And in this style, I used 2 tracks with 5 clips and 2 tracks with 4 clips, if you understand what I'm saying. That's exactly what I did.
You wanna come move now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating my high band, you guys. This is absolutely effortless. These clip-ins, they're so easy. Like, these are very, very easy to style, you guys. They're very, very versatile.
No, nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. Girl,
So there you go, guys. My second style is finished. Like, seriously, how flawless are these clip-ins? They look like my real hair, you guys. Like, seriously, look at that bun pop head, okay? Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous texture. On now to my third hairstyle. I feel like I'm just gonna stop talking, you guys, because I keep saying the same thing. So yeah, enjoy watching, guys.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this.
So here's the finished look, you guys. How would you like it? So gorgeous. Looks like my own hair. I don't know how many times I've said this in this video, you guys, but it is real, okay? And I was feeling myself like, yes. Moving on to the last kind of hairstyle, I am creating this bubble ponytail. Yeah, like you guys, I've created this kind of ponytail before, but using other hair, normal hair extensions like Mali hair. So I'm just gonna accessorize my ponytail. This hairstyle took me like 2 minutes. Okay, seriously, guys, I'm so in love with these clip-ins. Like, look at that. You can't even tell whether they're my hair or not. Like, seriously, perfect, beautiful hair. So I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So thank you so much, Better Lane, for sending me these clip-ins. Like, seriously, Bella, thank you so much. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.